Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. Now we'll put in the strike side. We'll check the pivots and bushes on that. Second wheel, star wheel, goes there. Warning wheel. And the fly. Now put the back plate on. Now we'll start to put the wheels in place. This wheel. Star wheel goes round there. Hammer goes in there. Now what do we got here for things sitting down a bit better. Turn that round to give us a better view. First wheel, that's there. Second wheel. Up a tiny bit. Second wheel. Hammer post. Warning wheel. And the fly. I've fly up there a tiny bit. And the fly. All right.
Put a nut on that post there. Hold the plates together. Not tight, just sufficiently tight so that nothing drops out. While we check the bushes, etc. Alright, it's moving pretty freely. Let's see if it's moving too freely. Down a bit. Look at the star wheel first, that one there. Plenty of end play in there, that's alright. Check the first wheel, this pivot here, that hasn't been rebushed. That sort of looks alright. First wheel, that pivot there. Tiny bit of movement, but probably not enough to worry about. Star wheel, that one there is alright. Now the end play. You can see the end play there on the first wheel. Star wheel, heaps of end play. Fly came out, so it's now back in again. Okay. Warning wheel pivot, that one there. Well, that looks pretty good. And the fly, that one there. Right. This movement hasn't done very much work. A lot of these haven't been rebushed and they're quite acceptable. Warning wheel, there. Actually, we might have to redo that one, I think. It's a little bit loose. And the pivot there. That's all right. Well, I'll mark that. Plenty of end play, as you can see. I'll have to rebush that one there. Oh, well, that's not too bad, only one of them. I'll take the movement apart, then we'll rebush that bushing up there. We'll check the pivot again and then proceed.